we are here to celebrate a very special relationship between Foxstar Studios and Amol Gupte Cinema. But that sounds very impersonal. We and Amol and Deepa go back a few years. We started a few years back with a film called Stanley Ka Dabba, which won hearts not only in India, but it went to Japan, one of the most difficult markets in the world to actually crack open for an Indian film. We took it to South Korea, we took it to Taiwan, and the film actually appealed to audiences, local audiences in those markets also. Since then, we've been working on building on this relationship. And I promise you one thing, that what we bring you today is an even more special film. So whilst I'm going to let Amol tell us more about the film, let me share with you why I think, give you 3 reasons why this is a really special film. Number 1, Amol has lived for 7 years with this dream to make this film. And when you live with an idea and something that you're passionate about for so long, it finally shows up on screen, and you're going to see that, number 1. Number 2, Amol and Deepa are those very rare sort of filmmakers who, not only are they passionate about cinema, but they have created a very unique space for themselves. And I think, you know, there's a certain integrity and a certain ethical honesty that they bring in their cinema, which I find amazing, and it's very, very rare even in Bollywood. And finally, Hawa Hawai is a 100% family film. It's going to make you laugh, it's going to make you cry, and it's a film that's going to make you believe in yourself. And I think that's very important when films actually touch you that deep in your heart. Hawa Hawai is 100% entertainment. Now, to tell us more about it, I'm going to request Amol to come to the stage.
But where has Vijay gone? No, without a believer, there's absolutely no place for a dreamer in this nation. So first of all, I have to seriously thank our friend Vijay Singh, who shed his first tear in Stanley, in the first screening of Stanley in an offline stage. And it was... क्या हुआ? लाइट जला दो यार, क्या कर रहे हो? ऐसे मत करो. अच्छा, now that Vijay has introduced Amol and Deepa, you would be wondering who's Deepa Bhatia. She is my better half and my producer. She's there. Why don't you come here, Deepa, for a second, so that we can have an opportunity of romance on stage. अरे बार बार देखो यार, क्या हो गया लाइट का? फिर से शादी करें? That's अच्छा, I'll tell you one thing, and let me cut a long story short, because अगर ये बत्तियां ऐसे करते रहेंगी तो मैं हवा हवाई को कैसे ला पाऊंगा यार यहाँ तक. और तुम लोग थोड़े 2 जन बंद करो बात करना है. वीरू जय है. हाँ, 2 मिनट अपने को भी कान दे दे, मजा आएगा. मतलब मेरे को आएगा, तेरे को आए ना आए. ठीक है, तो एक ऐसा सपना जो तुमको सोने न दे, जिस तरह से विजय साहब ने कहा कि this is that dream that has not allowed me to sleep a wink after तारे ज़मीं पर. And आज की तारीख में I am standing as that same dreamer on a white cloud. It is because Vijay Singh has held our hand so fabulously that I would really, really want an applause here at this moment. Secondly, when you have integrated an iconic word, Hawa Hawai, into your film, उसका विवरण तब तक incomplete है जब तक के ओरिजिनल हवा हवाई आकर हमको ब्लेस ना करे. तो ये जो थॉट था वो हमने वार्तालाप में क्लियर कर दिया, एंड ऑन वन कॉल द ओरिजिनल हवा हवाई जस्ट फ्लू इनटू आवर लाइव्स. एंड सपनों की क्या बात करेंगे, सपने तो होते ही हैं ऐसे, गिनते गिनते सुबह हो जाती है. लेकिन यहाँ ऐसा एक बड़ा सपना जहां पे एक हवा हवाई उड़ेगी. उड़ने दो भाई, हवा हवाई.
हवा हवाई हवा हवाई हवा हवाई हवा हवाई.
Hi everybody. Thank you so much for having me here. Everyone associates Hawa Hawaii with Mr. India. But today it has a new meaning to it. I've always loved Amol Gupteji's film, be it Tare Zameen Par or Stanley Ka Dabba. His films touch emotional chord. And we are all here to, experience his film Hawa Hawaii. I've seen the trailer. I really liked it for its simplicity, for its powerful emotions. And I don't want to take much time. Please see Amol Gupteji's Hawa Hawaii. And I'm sure you're all going to love it. And thank you once again.
Madam, let me bow to you because you have been the goddess in our lives and you've come with so much grace and so much poise that I'm overwhelmed and it's really, really humbled us. Thank you very much, ma'am.
It's my honor. Thank you.
The original Hawa Hawaii. Now, shall we see that what you saw?
Yes.
Shall we?
Let us play the exclusive.
क्या लगा मैम?
बहुत अच्छा लगा, मैंने पहले ही बता दिया. And I'm sure you all must have really freaked out.
No, I'm extremely thankful to get a once more ka nara. I have grown in this wonderful Mumbai city. As a child, I used to go and see Sangeet Nataks in Ravindranath Mandir, in Shivaji Mandir. And there was Chhota Gandharva and there was wonderful singer actors who used to sing the pads. And then there used to be once more and once more and once more. I am so glad to hear that again in a theatre. Without delay, let us talk about the second set of Dreamer and Believer, the two Matwales. Partho Gupte, Partho who has grown from Stanley to Arjun Harishchandra Wagmare that he plays in Hawa Hawaii, and his wonderful Believer, the dashing and hot Saqib Salim, his coach Lucky Sir. I think it's a great combo. Are battiyan, I know that they are bright, but aisa mat karo yaar. Let's have some light.
मतवाले निकले तोड़ के सारे ताले निकले लाखों हजारों सपनों को गिनते भर ली.
ये हमारे दो मतवाले हैं और दो मतवालों को कुछ कहना है.
सर आपने इतनी अच्छी इंट्रोडक्शन दी है तो अब क्या ज्यादा मैं कह सकता हूँ. बट आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक एवरीबडी हुज कम हियर एंड स्पेशली मैम. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग हियर, लॉन्चिंग आवर ट्रेलर. वीव ऑल बीन फैंस, वीव ऑल idolized you watching your work on screen, and for you to come launch a trailer, it's a very big thing. तो मेरे पास एक आपके लिए छोटा सा क्वेश्चन था, and I hope you don't mind me saying this, but ma'am, is there a chance ever in life कि आप कोई फिल्म करें and मैं और पार्थो उसका पार्ट हो सकते हैं?
Absolutely, why not? I'm really looking forward to that.
Ma'am, even I wanted to ask a question. I just wanted to ask you that how was your experience being, a child star? Do you remember anything?
Yeah, of course, it's a really great memories I have. I mean, उस वक्त मैं बहुत छोटी थी, मैं 4 साल की थी. How old are you now?
I am 13. I just turned
13, and I was 4 when I became a child star. And actually, I don't remember anything, but always I wanted to become a star. So let's say, God bless you because you have a great future.